Welcome to the Kuwait Capital Markets Authority Rules and Regulations course. This video will guide you through the Kuwait CMA regulatory framework, covering licensing, disclosure, listing rules, and more. Your dashboard provides an overview of your progress, including chapter summaries, mock exams, and overall comprehension. Let's explore the chapter summaries. This section breaks down the official syllabus into distilled expert summaries, fully aligned and mapped to the original workbook. Each chapter overview provides comprehensive background information. Within each chapter summary, you'll find examinable areas, common pitfalls, and exam tricks to help you focus your study efforts. These elements highlight critical points and common mistakes. The summaries also include potential exam traps and a consolidated list of all numerical values to ensure you don't miss any critical details before the exam. Next is the quick cheat sheet. This reference tool organizes key rules, definitions, penalties, exam traps, timelines, and thresholds. You can search or filter by category for quick review of high-value information. Flashcards are an effective way for active recall. They present a question based on key rules or facts. You can click to reveal the answer and move through the deck based on whether you've mastered the concept. Upon revealing the flashcard answer, you can assess if you got it right and track your progress in the deck. This is a critical tool for memorizing high-frequency exam detail. The Mock Exam Hub provides 4 unique module tests, each containing 75 questions to simulate the exam environment. You have unlimited attempts to master the material before the real exam. Before starting a mock exam, you'll see the time limit and question count. Remember that once you submit, you can review detailed explanations for all questions with a passing mark of 70%. During the mock exam, you'll answer multiple choice questions, keeping track of your progress and the time remaining. After selecting an answer, you can move on to the next question. After completing a mock exam, the detailed correction review provides an explanation for every question, whether you answered correctly or incorrectly. This helps you understand the underlying concepts. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is available in beta to answer your specific questions about the course material, exam tips, or regulations. You can ask anything and receive guidance from a Kuwait CMA expert.